Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching marginal costing. Use of equations to ascertain missing amounts. So let us start with question number 6. Part 1. A certain profit when sales are given as rupees 2 lakhs, fixed cost is given as rupees 40,000 and BEP for sales is given as rupees 1,60,000. Part 2. A certain sales when fixed cost amount is given as rupees 20,000, profit amount is given as rupees 10,000 and BEP for sales is given as rupees 40,000. So let us start with the solution. First, ascertainment of profit. So fixed cost is equal to contribution at break-even point, which is rupees 40,000. So PV ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales into 100, which is equal to 40,000 as contribution divided by sales, which is given as rupees 1,60,000 for BEP into 100, which will be equal to 25%. So required sales is equal to fixed cost plus profit, which is desired profit, divided by PV ratio. So required sales is given as rupees 2 lakhs, which is equal to fixed cost, which is 40,000 plus profit divided by PV ratio, which is 25%. So 2 lakhs into 25%, which is equal to 40,000 plus profit. So profit is equal to rupees 50,000 minus rupees 40,000, which will be equal to rupees 10,000. So the profit amount is rupees 10,000. Second, ascertainment of sales. So fixed cost is equal to contribution at break-even point, which will be equal to rupees 20,000. So PV ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales into 100, which will be equal to contribution amount is given as 20,000 divided by sales, which is 40,000 for BEP into 100, which will be equal to 50%. So the PV ratio is 50%. Now required sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So fixed cost amount is rupees 20,000 plus profit, which is given as rupees 10,000 divided by PV ratio, which is 50%. So required sales is equal to rupees 60,000.